The fourth step in creating a sales message is called name drop, and this is a tool that will help you to very quickly create a customer example that you can share as part of your sales message. The way this tool works is that when you come to the name drop step, there are only 3 answers that you need to answer. So the first box is basically enter the name or a descriptive label for a customer, a past customer or current customer. So the way this works is you could either put the name of a company in there that was a customer, or if you don't want to share the name of an actual organization or the name of an individual, you could put a descriptive label like a mid-sized family-owned business, or a dentist's office, or a regional telecommunications provider. So you enter the name of your customer or label there, and then you have these 2 drop downs here. The first one is select the initial improvement that was delivered. So instead of having to type out anything, what we do is we bring over all of the value points that you entered on the previous step, because remember, on the value point step you entered the ways that your service helps. So if that's how your service has helped, then you should have provided that help to a past customer. So we make it easy for you to just select one of those, and then the next box is select the ultimate improvement delivered to that customer. And so in this example here, I have this improvement selected. What the script library does in many different places, it will share your name drop example for that sales message. So to show you what this looks like, if I go to sales scripts, just about every script in here will have that name drop. And what it does is this tool, if I click view here and just scroll down to the name drop section, so you see name drop here, that tool uses those 3 answers to create this 3-sentence blurb. And I will admit that maybe the tool doesn't put it together perfectly, or you might want to change it slightly or add more information to make the story more complete. But remember, the sales message builder is just to be a quick tool to enter a few answers and create a bunch of documents, and you can then refine those after that. But those 3 answers basically create this 3-sentence blurb, which is, we worked with a sales enablement manager and helped them to get reps more successful with outbound phone and email prospecting. We were able to do this by providing our sales scripter product. So this is actually pulling from the product field in the sales message. This ultimately helped them to improve sales performance for every member of the team. So again, whether or not that's a perfect story or it's complete could be debated, but the main thing here is that the tool creates a name drop blurb really quickly. Very little thought and effort on your part, and you could always come and edit this and change it later. So that's how this name drop tool works. I do want to show you before I end this where you could add more information to that name drop example. So you go through this step, answer these 3 questions, and then continue on to complete your sales message. But when you're ready to maybe fine-tune that a bit or add on to that a bit, if you come to this building block section, there is a block for your name drop. If I expand this, you'll see these are those 3 bullet points that I just showed you in the script. Basically, the script is pulling these, and this block is pulling from those 3 answers that I showed you in the sales message area. If you wanted to add more information, this is where you could do it. I'll just copy this. So let's say you had a lot more to explain to the story here, and you wanted to say how it worked, and you wanted to create a whole story. I'm just doing a quick edit there. So if I hit save here, that's going to save that all of my edit and expansion on that story. And now if I go back to that script and if I just hit refresh, you can see that that name drop is now modified to have the longer story. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what this name drop step is all about and how to use that feature and add on to it.